Did you know the sun is making a sound right now? Imagine a giant fiery drum in space, constantly beating and vibrating. Crazy, right? But here's the kicker. You'll never hear it. Why? Because space is a vacuum. Sound needs air or matter to travel, and space has none. So while the sun is singing a deep cosmic tune, we're stuck in silence down here on Earth. But guess what? Scientists have recorded these solar vibrations and turned them into sounds we can hear. It's like listening to the heartbeat of the universe. So next time you look up at the sun, remember, it's playing a symphony, and now you know its secret.